In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invert a selection in Pixlr quickly and easily using either a simple keyboard shortcut or the menu option inside Pixlr E on PC. If you're editing photos and want to switch your active selection to everything outside the current area, this is a very useful trick to know. It can save you a lot of time when you're cutting out objects, adjusting backgrounds, or making precise edits. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Now let's jump in. First, open Pixlr E in your browser or on your PC and load the image you want to edit. Before you can invert anything, you need to make a selection first. You can do this using the Lasso tool if you want a freehand selection, or the Marquee tool if you want a cleaner shape like a rectangle or circle. Click and drag around the area you want to select, and once the selection is active, you're ready for the next step. Now, if you want the fastest method, just press Ctrl I on your keyboard. That instantly inverts the selection. What was selected becomes unselected, and everything that was not selected becomes selected instead. This is especially helpful if you started by selecting an object and now want to work on the background, or if you want to apply an adjustment to everything except the main subject. If you prefer using the menu, Pixlr also gives you another easy way to do it. At the top of the editor, click Select, then choose Invert Selection from the drop-down menu. That does the exact same thing as the keyboard shortcut, so you can use whichever method feels more comfortable. After inverting the selection, you can continue editing with confidence. You might delete the background, add effects to the outside area, or refine your image with more advanced tools. The key thing to remember is that inverting a selection flips your active area so you can target the opposite part of the image in just one step. If you're working in Pixlr often, learning this shortcut will make your workflow much faster and much smoother. And that's how to invert a selection in Pixlr using either Ctrl I or the Select menu. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tutorial like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.